You searched how to buy shares of Litigation Capital Management Ltd. The company provides litigation funding and related services and is listed on LSE PLC under the ticker LIT.L. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we use eToro here as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker LIT.L to find the listing. Select the entry that displays Litigation Capital Management Ltd on the LSE so you locate the correct share. Open the asset page to view basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the company name and the LIT.L ticker to ensure this is the right stock before proceeding. Tap Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details, including order type and any fees, before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be scheduled for the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After confirmation, your new position will appear in your portfolio or holdings list. A link to the platform used in this example is available in the description if you want to learn more.